Welcome to today's news.
Bihar Home Guard Bharti 2025 registration for 15,000 posts begins. Bihar Home Guard Bharti 2025. The online application process for Home Guard vacancies under the Bihar Home Guard and Fire Services will begin on March 27. According to the short notification, candidates will be able to apply for this post at online bhg.bihar.gov.in. The application deadline is April 16. This recruitment drive is for 15,000 Home Guard vacancies and covers 37 districts of the state. The detailed notification will be released on the official website. Before applying, the candidates should read the notification and ensure that they are eligible for the recruitment process. Bihar Home Guard Bharti 2025. How to apply? Go to the official website online bhg.bihar.gov.in. Open the link to apply for 15,000 Home Guard vacancies. Enter the requested information and complete the registration process. Now log into your account. Fill out the application form. Upload the documents. Pay the application fee and submit your form. Take a printout of confirmation page.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https studyforsure.com. Thank you.